Hello everyone! Welcome po sa ating business presentation about Olinex and Nexus. This is the future of Sedify and RW community sharing version. Ano po ba ang Olinex? So ang Olinex is a Sedify, centralized and decentralized everything exchange. Ito po ay ginawa para sa global market sa Triphase Crypto Financial Platform Integration RW. Ang RW po ay ang real world asset. So, this is derivatives and smart asset management focusing on the digitalization, circulation, and appreciation of asset. Kaya nga po, everything exchange. So, ang platform po nito ay Olinex at ang mission niya is to empower boundless asset mobility. So this is dedicated to create next generation capital operating system where everything can be on-chain. So gamit ang Olinex.io, everything can be changed under or on-chain. Olinex.io din po ay merong lisensya sa US MSB license. Ang ibig po sabihin nito ay Money Service Business License by the US Department of the Treasury Finance Crimes Enforcement Network of FinCEN. Ito po ay nag-authorize to complain, conduct of digital trading and other financial services through the United States. Meron din po siyang UK regulatory license. Ang pangalan po ng company is Olinex Limited and officially registered po siya in the United Kingdom, providing the legal foundation of global operations. Ang Olinex.io din po ay recognized from the mainstream of Apple Store. So pwede nating i-download to over 400 countries, including po ang United States, Japan, South Korea, and United Kingdom, Canada, Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Germany. Of course, pwede nyo pong i-download ang platform gamit po si Google Play at ang Android. So, ano po ba ang ibig sabihin ng RW? Ang ibig sabihin po nito ay real world asset, and this is the 5 major segment from the real world asset. So, ang Olinex po ay pwedeng gawin in digitalization ang mga business to build a diverse, deep, and highly liquid, everything can change. So ano po ba yung 5 major segment? Una po, decentralization of secondary market equities. For example po, yung stocks po ng Apple, Tesla, etc. po. Another po is digitalization of IP assets. Ito po yung mga games published, yung mga materials from technology, at iba pa po, like movies, etc. po. Another thing po is digitalization of real-world industries. For example po, pwede nating i-digitalize gamit ang platform na Olinex.io from restaurants, hotels, and physical resources. Kasama doon po dyan ang gold, diamond na pwede pong imina at maging digitalization na gamit ang RW technology dito po kay Olinex.io. Another thing po is digitalization of emerging technology. Ito po yung mga biometrics and more. Isa pa po is ang Web3 native asset. Ito po yung mag-i-introduce ng iba't ibang mga tokens, including the mga cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and many more. So what are the products and matrix building in Olinex.io using RW service ecosystem? Ito po, meron na po sa platform which is spot trading. Over 50 tokens na po ang pwedeng ma-trade inside Olinex.io, including po dyan si Bitcoin at iba pang mga cryptocurrency. Meron din pong future trading, fun quizzes. In the process po, si Web3 Gaming, multi-chain wallet. Available na po ang Nexus ecosystem which we are using the V33 model, where the user can stake and earn long-term rewards and governance rights. In the future po, this coming October 2025, Olinex.io will launch CryptoCard, IM System, the XLab, and of course, the Olinex Smart Chain. Ito po ang Nexus staking system inside Olinex.io. So, ang platform po ni Nexus ay staking reward system at gumagamit po ng B33 model. You can lock the asset long-term to get and receive higher returns and governance right in the future once you are staking. And we are using Sedify characteristic. As of this moment, we are still on centralized system, but in the near future, we will have our decentralized system. At dahil po sa sinabi nating staking method, ito po yung mga ways to stake today and in the future. So right now po, meron pong initial product staking. Ito po yung tinatawag na single token staking, where yung native public chain token po na ASC is yield in the main platform, at once na i-mistake po natin yon, ang magiging reward ay yung token po na ANT. Meron din pong magkakaroon ng bond staking, gagamitin ng ASC to bond the asset at a discount and stake them to yield ANT, enjoying a higher API. At marami pa po tayong upcoming products tulad ng pag-release ng iba't iba or multi-token combo staking. And ang fees po upon staking on the platform is 5 to 10% transaction upon staking on the platform or the ecosystem of Olinex. Ito po yung mga ways to yield and returns on the platform. First po is the daily or twice daily income na makukuha natin 0-100 and 1200 London time. Aside from 2 times daily reward, meron din po tayong additional reward if we provide a longer lock-up period on the platform. So the longer lock-up period, the higher the return. Ito po yung mga terms on locking ASC on the platform or staking ASC on the platform. First, we have 30 days, which can add us 10%, 90 days for 20%, 180 days for 30%, 360 days 40%, and up to 540% additional 50% on the reward. So no flexible term available for bond products, and the reward structure is the same for all staking method. So bond product offers to up to 50% discount based on technical indicators. So in the future, magkakaroon po tayo ng bond products in the platform. And aside from giving or having the 2 daily rewards, 2 times daily rewards, and the lockup period, we still have the staking amount weight, where if the user stake the value above $1,000 and the term of locking it is 30 days, you can enjoy additional computing power bonus up to 20%. The larger the scale, the larger the amount, the higher the weight. Now let's do the math regarding this bonuses that we have in the platform Olinex.io. So let's do the math regarding sa profit ni Olinex.io. So here's the example on the platform, guys. So for example, bumili ako ng worth $1,000 ng ASC, in-stake ko siya ng 540 days. So magkakaroon ako ng additional 50% bonus annually sa platform. So in 1,000 ASC, ang daily earnings is nasa range ng 7.5 ANT to 7.9 ANT daily. So, ang price ngayon ng ANT is nasa $1.19. So, ang $1 versus sa peso natin will be 57 pesos versus $1. So, kung meron tayong 7.5 ANT, i-multiply natin yon by 57 pesos. So, daily, ang magiging profit natin upon staking ASC ay 427 pesos daily. Sa 7.5 ANT naman, kapag binultiply natin yon with a minimum amount of 225 ANT per month, makakakuha tayo ng 225 ANT. At kapag binultiply natin ang 225 ANT sa price ni ANT ng 1.19, dahil ito po yung presyo niya as of this moment recording this platform, ang magiging equivalent natin monthly is $267.75. Ngayon, yung $267.75, syempre, i-multiply natin sa ating currency, which is 57. Ang monthly income upon staking is 15,261.75. Ngayon, depende pa rin yun sa price ni ANT. Kung tumaas yung value, mas higher yung magiging profit natin. For example, upon staking on the platform, ang naging price ni ANT is $3 each. So, yung 267.75 ANT mo, imumultiply mo ngayon ng $3, which will equivalent to 803.25. So, yung 803.25 mo na dollars, i-multiply mo ngayon sa 57, ang magiging monthly income mo ay 45,785.25 pesos. Dun sa price na kapag lumaki ang presyo ni ANT. Ngayon, ano namang mangyayari doon sa in-stake natin o sa binili nating ASC? After natin na matapos ang staking period, for example, pinili natin 30 days, automatic na babalik si ASC sa iyong wallet. So, hindi yun nagalaw, in-stake mo lang. At once tumaas din ang price ni ASC, another profit pa rin yun. For example, 1,000 ASC ang nakastake. Ang price na nabili ko noon na ang presyo pa lang ni ASC ay nasa $1.129. So, bumili ako ng 1,000 ASC. Ang equivalent nun ay 1,129. I-multiply natin sa 57, which yung peso natin. So, ang price na nabili ko noon ay 64,353. At ngayon, tumaas yung value niya after ko siyang mabili. So, ang presyo na ngayon upon recording this presentation is 1.5839. So, meron akong 1,000 ASC at imumultiply ko sa 1.1839. Ang equivalent nun ay 1.58.39. So, yung 1.5839 ko, mumultiply ko sa 57. Ang magiging equivalent is 66,028.23. So, sa profit sa ASC pa lang, nagkaroon na ako ng profit na 1,675. Again, mas mataas ang value ng coins at bumili tayo sa murang value nito. Parehas ang gain gamit o ang profit gamit si ASC at ANT. Okay, dumako naman tayo sa profit distribution and withdrawal. So, automatic na ang 30% ng ANT mo ay mapupunta sa another staking platform which is yung Turbo Pool. Once na mapunta doon, magkakaroon ulit siya ng another profit income dahil nandun siya sa isang turbo pool na nakalak din yon in 30 days. After 30 days, makukuha mo yung ANT na nakalak sa turbo pool. At pwede kang mamili kung i-stake mo siya ng 60 days, 90 days, 180 days, at up to 540 days. So another possible profit na naman yon using ANT token. Dahil sa tinanggal yung 30% nilagay sa turbo pool, papasok na yung 70% sa withdrawal pool. Ganito yung pag-process ng withdrawal. Una, kung pipiliin mo ang normal withdrawal na 180 days, walang magiging ANT token burning. So ano bang ibig sabihin nung token burning? Walang susunuging token sa withdrawal mo. Kung ang pipiliin mo ay 1 to 180 days. From day 1 up to 180 days, continuous ang pagbibigay ng withdrawal mo. For example, mag-withdraw ka ng 200 ANT, automatic yon ang kung ang pipiliin mo ay 180 days, hahatiin yung 200 na ANT from day 1 to 180 days. Hahatiin yung 200 ANT. Kung ang pipiliin mo naman ay mas mabilis na pag-withdraw, meron tayong tinatawag na accelerated withdrawal. For example, ang pinili mo ay 5 days, automatic yon yung 30% susunugin o i-burn. Tapos sa 30 days naman, ang turnover nun ay yung 20% burning token. So 15 days, 25% mabuburn sa token mo. At kung 90 days naman, ang mabuburn ay 10% sa token mo. Pero kung pipiliin mo yung 180 days, walang mabuburn, makukuha mo from day 1 to 180 days. Bakit nagbuburn? Hindi magkaroon ng pagbagsak ng presyo ng isang token. For example, itong si ANT. Kaya ginagawa or kaya ganito yung ginawa yung process ng withdrawal para hindi lahat magkaroon ng hindi dramatic or yung pagkuha ng ANT at ibigla na lang ibenta. So yun yung dinesign ng company para maprotektahan ang presyo ni ANT. Paano yun i-withdraw? Meron tayong peer-to-peer, person-to-person. Meron tayong OTC. Dito yung merchant inside Nexus platform. Pwede rin natin gamitin yung spot trading sa olinex.io. Bawat transaction from peer-to-peer, OTC, and spot ay may mga fee. Check nyo kung ano yung mas magandang na process para makuha nyo yung ANT. Ito naman yung ecosystem growth engine, mutual empowerment of RW and ANT, yung ANT token natin. So si ANT has a multi-dimensional value leap, strategic partnering with the internal RW projects. So guys, ang gagamitin lang to provide or para makapag-invest ang company using this token which is ANT. So kung may mga ibang project, wala tayong ibang magagamit na token kundi ANT at ASC lang. In the near future, bubuksan nila yung dual token mode kung saan pwede nating stake parehas magkasama si ASC at si ANT. Again, si ASC yung All-in-X Smart Chain Token natin at si ANT naman yung All-in-X Platform Token. Ito, ibinigay nila sa atin kung paano yung magkakaroon ng value appreciation si ANT. Una, leakage with RW asset. Again, si ANT lang ang gagamitin in the next project using RW guys. Continuous deployment of mechanism. Ito yung i-burn yung ating mga token once na nag-withdraw, nag-transact. Bakit yun ginagawa? Once na gumawa tayo ng transaction, gamit nga ang olinex.io at magkakaroon tayo ng withdrawal regarding staking, automatic nagbo-burn ang token, depende sa pipiliin natin. Bakit? Para sa market, yung circulating supply niya, para mas mabawasan and to drive the price up. tataas po ang value. So, no preserve asset and scarcity. ANT has no team, institution, economy, or technological reservation. Ang at all token must be mined through staking. Makukuha mo lang ang ANT while staking ASC, guys. Pwede mong mabili siya sa ibang trading platform, pero yung free mo siya makukuha upon staking, iba yon. Bibilin mo na siya sa ibang market. ANT na siya. Pero kung gagamitin natin yung Olinex.io, reward si ANT. So, internal community census. So, Olinex is doing everything to make it a global market. So, additional para tumaas ang value ni ANT is to list it to more top exchanges. So, as of this moment, upon recording, meron ng 5 exchanges and wallet available sa market gamit si ANT token. And here's the economy incentive and future plans. Meron tayong partner program, merong alpha asset program inside Nexus. So, ito yung mga additional incentives once we wanted to grow the community and to profit more. So another is product empowerment and user experience. Ito yung future trading bonuses once na nag-trade tayo sa platform ni Olinex.io. And another thing is the GameFi value participation. We are going to have the fun quizzes and, of course, the Web3 gaming in the future. The ultimate form, the circulation protocol layer of RW. So, ang mission ni Olinex is to become the circulation protocol layer of RW asset. Ang goal po natin ay ma-build ang panoramic everything exchange that can freely connect, combine, and reshape the value of all things, heading us in the future of finance. And this is the 3 stages globalization strategy path. The stage 1 is to become the bridge for mainstream European and American asset system. So right now, ginagawa na to ng company. The second stage is to build the native ecosystem in the Asian financial region. And the third step is to become a coordination layer for the global asset and governance logic. We are globally based physically in these countries, guys. In Dubai, in New York, in London, in Seoul, South Korea, in Kuala Lumpur, in Tokyo, and in Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. Hopefully, magkaroon tayo ng ating office here in the Philippines in the near future. And these are the social. You can check all the social media platform. The website is olinex.io. We also have Twitter, Discord, YouTube, Instagram, Linktree, Telegram, Medium, Facebook, Respiratory, and the customer support and the business inquiries. Yes, we can download the platform using App Store, TestFlight, Google Play, and Android. So, the end of presentation, guys. If you wanted to know more, pwede niyong kontakin yung nagbigay sa inyo ng video na ito. Mag-sign up kayo under ng kanilang mga referral link. Kung ako naman, gamitin niyo po ang referral link namin and be part of this platform, which is Olinex.io and Nexus. So, all in the future, guys. Thank you guys sa oras. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you guys.